Hello, it's Tuesday, August the 10th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained across the board as profit-taking characterized the market before the FOMC statement today. The U.S. Stock Markets advanced with Dow Jones gaining 0.42% and the NASDAQ rising by 0.75%. Crude oil advanced by 1% and closed at $81.50 a barrel. Gold seemed to pause its rally and closed at $1,201 an ounce. After the FOMC statement, an interest rate decision is expected unchanged at 0.25%. The euro weakened against the dollar as it could not hold above the 133 zone and went back to trade below the 132 zone. Breaking below the support level of 131.30 turns the momentum to negative for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 131.40 and a high of 133.07. Today, German CPI is expected unchanged at 0.2%. The pound lost gains to the dollar after struggling with the 159.50 area and fell back below the 158.50 zone. Breaking below the support level of 158.30 turns the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.72 and a high of 159.95. Today, the trade balance is expected at minus 7.7 billion versus minus 8.1 billion previously. And nationwide consumer confidence is expected at 60 versus 63 prior. The dollar gained versus the yen and moved upwards from the 85 low to the 86 zones in line with the main trend of dollar strength and in expectation for the interest rate decision in Japan. Holding above the support level of 85.30 turns the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 85.24 and a high of 86.04. Today, the interest rate decision is expected unchanged at 0.1%. Finally, Canada. Canada's dollar weakened slightly versus the US dollar as it traded in a narrow range on speculation that the Fed will take steps for providing more stimulus in the US. Breaching above the resistance level of 1.1003 turns the momentum positive for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.55 and a high of 102.98. Today, the housing starts are expected at 185,000 versus 193,000 previously. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.